Welcome to Get Paid with Apps, where we review apps to make a little bit of extra money on the side. Today we'll be talking about MobProfit, which is only available for Android. So if you don't have an Android, I always suggest you can buy a cheap one for like $40 or something and just leave it in your house and throw a bunch of apps on it, and the thing will pay itself off real quick. MobProfit is really easy. You simply install the app and you earn 10 cents every day for doing absolutely nothing. It's easy passive income. There's a few surveys on the app you can do also. There's one on there now for like $1.50 for 9 or 10 minutes, which isn't the worst thing I've ever seen, but I kind of just prefer to leave the app on my phone, earn my 10 cents, and that's all. You can cash out to PayPal, Visa gift card, Amazon gift card, Venmo, and then there's a whole bunch of other gift cards and whatnot you can cash out to. In our last video, we talked about an app called Value Me, which also pays you 10 cents a day for doing nothing, just like MobProfit does. So look for that video, and if you put both of them on your phone, you can make 20 cents a day. I guess that's about it with MobProfit. If you want to jump ahead and find more apps that I haven't made videos for yet, just go to getpaidwithapps.com, and there's an all apps section there that will show you all of the apps that I recommend, where you can start making money today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.